Mongolian delegates led by Prime Minister Kursuk attended the opening of the General Debate of 73rd Session of the United Nations General Assembly, held on September 25th in New York, the USA. Prime Minister is expected to address at the high-level meeting on September 28th, introducing objectives and priorities of Mongolian foreign policy and socio-economic policies being taken by the government and expressing its position on international relations. This year, we have established the International Think Tank for Landlocked Developing Countries in the framework of the UN General Assembly. The foreign affairs ministers of 33 landlocked countries customarily hold a meeting. As the only international organization that unites these countries, established in Ulaanbaatar City, we have leading role and working actively. During this UN General Assembly, we aim to submit a resolution on increasing the status of the international organization in the UN. Heads of states and government of over 150 countries are attending the general debate to express their position on global pressing issues and exchange views on policies and actions to be taken further.